Hi, today we are going to see secure key duplication with the identify based. Now we are going to execute the project. In this project has two modules. One is a cloud server and user. Here the data owner and the data user is same. Now the user can register the account with the basic information. If you are a new user means you have to enter new user and register the account with the basic informations. Now the registered successfully. After the registration, the cloud server can give the access to or log in the user's account. Cloud can log in the account with the username and password. They can view the user and authorize their account. Activated user successfully. Now the user can log in the account with the correct username and password. Welcome user. Now the user can see their profile. While registering, they can give particular information. No, that information will shown by the profile. Next, user can send the upload request to the cloud. The cloud can view all the users with the detailed information and also accept the file request which is made by the user. The user can upload the file with the particular key. If you are upload the file means you are the data owner. Now the user can upload the file with the particular key. Secret key, trapdoor key, based on that we have to upload the file. This file is already exists, so only it is duplicate file. Now we have to upload the another file. File uploaded successfully. If the file is already exist means that a message will shown like this file is already exist. This is a duplicate file. So user can only upload the files one time. It also saves the memory. Now the user can upload the same file again means it will show the file is duplicate. This is already exist. If you do not want the file means the user can delete the files also. Now we have to register the another account for the user. For that also we have to register new. Register successfully. This also cloud can authorize. Once the authorized means the user can log in the account. Now you are download the file means you are the user. User can send the download request to the particular file. The request sent successfully. Now the cloud can see all the uploaded files and also see the downloaded requests. Example, these are the uploaded files and we have to see download file request. If you are accepted means the user can download the file, otherwise does not, the user can download file. Once you are accepted means the cloud can send the secret key to the particular user for downloading the file. The secret key will generated through our mail ID. Next, the user can download the files. You can receive the mail. In that mail, we have like a file key, trapdoor key, secret key. We have to enter the keys correctly. Now the user can download the file while we have to given the particular key means. Next, the cloud can see all the files, the downloaded files, uploaded files, and also the cloud can see based on the graph. In that, basically we have to use encryption and decryption. Once the owner uploaded means that should be encrypted, otherwise the user can download means it should be the decrypted format. These are the graph based result, which user can download the files more and the which files can downloaded more. Thank you for watching this video by OnCrore project.